Hi everyone, my name is Livia Shajan. Today I am going to present on the topic Applications of Graph Theory and Operational Research in Computer Science, the Airline and Logistics Management. This presentation explains how mathematical concepts like graph theory helps airlines to reduce cost, save time and improve efficiency. Graph theory and operational research are powerful tools used to solve optimization problems. In computer science, they are widely used in real-world systems. One of the best examples in the airlines industry where thousands of decisions must be made every day regarding routes, scheduling, crew and fuel management. Why airlines need optimization? Airlines operate thousands of flights daily. They face very high fuel and maintenance cost. There are limited aircraft and crew members along with the strict safety rules and time constraints. So, airlines must find the most efficient way to use their resources while minimizing the cost and delay. This is where graph theory and operational research become essential. Graph theory in airline management. In graph theory, we represent airports as nodes or vertices, flights as edges, and distance, time, or cost as weights on those edges. Since flights have a specific direction from source to destination, we use directed and weighted graph model. Airline network graph. An airline network can be visualized as a graph with multiple possible routes between cities. Each route has different cost, time and fuel consumption. Using graph algorithms, airlines can find shortest path and minimum cost route between two airports. Role of operational research. Operational research helps in decision making under constraints. It uses mathematical models to minimize cost and time, optimize schedules, and also allocate resources efficiently. It works together with graph theory to solve complex airline problems. Flight scheduling optimization. Flight scheduling is the major challenge. Airlines must decide optimal departure and arrival times, avoid airport congestion, and maximum aircraft utilization. Graph models such as shortest path and network flow algorithms are used to create efficient scheduling. Crew assignment problem. Another important problem is assigning pilots and cabin crews. Airlines must follow legal working hours and mandatory rest periods. This is solved using linear programming models which ensures fair and efficient crew allocation. Fuel and cost minimization. Fuel is the largest operational cost of airlines. By selecting optimal routes and reducing waiting time in the air or on the ground, airlines can save a significant amount of fuel. This is done using minimum cost flow algorithms in graph theory. Airline optimization system. In a typical airline optimization system, the problem was high operational costs and frequent delays. By applying graph theory and operational research with scheduling software, the airline was able to reduce both costs and delays significantly. Real world implementation. Emirates, Lufthansa, and American Airlines use automated systems such as Sabre and Amadeus. These systems are based on graph algorithms and optimization models to manage routes, pricing, scheduling, and crew planning. Benefits of this approach. The main benefits of this approach are reduced operational costs, improved punctuality, better use of aircraft and crew, and scalable and efficient airline management system. To conclude, graph theory has a strong real-world application in airline and logistic management. It combines mathematical theory with practical implementation. For computer science students, it shows how algorithms can solve complex industry problems. This approach is widely used in modern airline systems and will continue to play a major role in future optimization technologies. Thank you for listening.